guys, welcome to on my face. Good. Today, it's part 2 10 little unwrapping videos that we released. It's your week, so I released it. And today we are setting up this mess. So to begin with, now read these instructions. Very cool. Fuck that, I don't need no instructions.
No, I can't return it now. Well, you know when you rip it, you can't return it.
What do we do now? Oh, they can. Back pocket.
Oh, it's a bit of money gone.
I'm professional at this.
Shouldn't you flatten the tent out?
Trust me, I know.
Then you put the things in. Make sure the door's facing. And you're not on dog shit.
Hey, down, boy, down. Down. Wow.
Bring it this way a bit.
Down. Stay.
Oh, shit in the mud lot.
You still got cameras on me?
Yeah.
You
Got your whole bloody waist in it.
on my face.
Got your face. Got the stickers in it.
Don't worry, it's going to be a masterpiece. Definitely do the both first.
You won't go. Or maybe you should consider. Oh no, you're just off for that. You said one corner.
Don't worry, it's all under control.
Here's Robert.
Don't panic, I know one thing.
Coming closer.
What do you want?
Oh, hello, Sapphire. What are you up to? What are you up to? Going back to the hut? Nah, it's going for a wander. You hit my rabbit! You hit my rabbit, you'll stick. I'm gonna kill you.
It's not rabbit, it's just on my friends. I'm going to eat it for a soup exercise.
And I'll beat you to death.
Smashing this.
God, I can move. John, supposed to get that other stick into the other side.
Don't.
Should be don't patronise. That's a big word.
I know one do.
You don't?
I know. Look at this thing.
A gay porn star. While he's doing that, we'll see the bunny. Oh, look at that bunny.
Hey!
Oh, look at that bunny. Oh, that's an evil rabbit.
Hey!
Evil? That's Satan's spawn. How evil it is.
Hey!
It's got red eyes.
I don't pay you to look at rabbit.
You don't pay me anyway. Look,
Exactly.
he's cute as he devil.
You don't allow on the budget.
What budget? You don't pay for nothing. As he continuously struggles. Oh, look, cute rabbit. That's something interesting. Let's go up to the cute rabbit. Quiet down. Oh, look, the other one. That's evil. See, red eyes. Oh, get back over there. Oh, look, they're chasing each other now. He's got an accomplishment. He did it. Almost. Put your bets on the comments if you will drop this tent. see the dog. Seen it? The dog is. Yeah, crazy mutt. Hello! That. Look how scary it is. Hey? How scary the dog is. Scared. Rabbit again. It's adorable puffiness. Give it stick. Little rabbit. The adorableness of the bunnies.
Excuse me, this is not a rabbit show.
My one's a demon. Hello, bunnies. Might come closer. Aww. The adorableness of a rabbit.
What? The masterpieces come together.
Not going anywhere. Okay, now Failure has come. As I've entertained you while he's bored me to death.
Excuse me, this is top entertainment.
It's not top entertainment, it's showing someone how not to put a tent up.
I am professional.
He's not a professional.
I am.
I put them on most of the time. You just sit there and pass me the things.
Excuse me.
Oh, look at the bunny come to see the
I'm going to pull my flask out. Pull it up.
You put your flask out and you piss over that bunny, I burn your tent.
You won't burn the orange head.
Yeah, it'll be red.
The orange head.
I always like the colour black. Oh, look, she loves the camera. She loves the camera. Spotlight bunny. One day he'll get that in. One day.
Oh my god, it's all very sexy. There we go. On a roll. What are you doing?
Wait, me.
Aye. Foul play there.
That was comedy. If you people knew how cold it was out here, you wouldn't be standing here. Sean, you're paining me just to watch. I'm in agony looking at you.
This is going to be a sex. The sex story more beautiful than Romeo and Juliet.
Sean, you 10 for it.
It's not. It's not.
Look underneath it.
It's all.
No, look underneath it. There's a big slit.
There. There's nothing that don't think of it.
What a joke, you know? Yes. The bunny's on the table!
I don't know what's up.
Cute said that. It's adorable. Now people.
Is it under see that? Is that underneath it?
What? Any day he'll learn. Look, stop the star. I didn't see the star on the wall. The other side's gonna break. The other side's come out.
No, worry about it.
And that tent's probably on dog shit.
Roll. No, this is terrible. No.
See, look,
No,
even the
I'm
rabbit's
doing-
laughing.
Yeah.
Go and pin it down before it starts flying off again. Position it. Take your stuff out the way and pin it down before it goes back down. What happened to your ceiling?
The ceiling. What happened to the ceiling?
I don't know.
I swear to God, I can't do this. On top of the ceiling. I ain't got.
Oh, check. It weighs like 370.
No.
I have a feeling that thing's put in there. Oh, yeah, walking in that side now. What are we doing for? John, pull it out.
What?
You need to stretch your tent out.
Sorry, he's useful.
That ain't gonna stay down. Oh, it keeps moving dead. I'm taking a health risk out here, too. Think about it, folks. One rainfall and that tent's gonna be drenched.
Don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing.
It doesn't.
I know what I'm doing.
So I've got rain on, so hurry up.
This is wrong with this phone.
Look, the rabbits come to see what the hell that is. Needs to go in.
This is a masterpiece.
Dogs under the couch.
See, that's fireworks, but it's fantastic.
No, that's a farmer going bang, so he scares the crows off the field. Did I put it up nicely for you? Look, another one. A firework who runs. Go up, that one just bang. Scare crows. Took for his one. Oh, it's freezing. Hi guys. Hey Dad, come here. It's busy.
I am coming up on it, really.
You can even film it. Maybe? There, it's near the
Is
window.
it the same as the other one, though?
Same, but it hasn't got windows and near the window.
John!
Ah,
Get it down. No windows. And it's got a bug thing. Not in it. Mice has been in it after food and legs it off. Say bye, Sean. Oh, my hands are freezing.
I'm round the front.
Go.
Oh yeah. This will be the tent. Fantastic. This is Sean. Thank you very much.